Your top software engineer just went completely quiet. They used to be your most vocal leader, and now, nothing. And your one-on-one is in exactly 5 minutes. You have two bad options. Option 1, the passive check-in. You ask, "Is everything okay?" and get a fake, "I'm fine." Option 2, the paranoid probe. You ask, "Are you leaving us?" and instantly destroy trust. Both lead to resignation. This is where AI for managers comes in. It has the exact framework to defuse this ticking time bomb. Instead of guessing, you run the icebreaker prompt. Option A is the passive trap. Option B is the paranoid probe. But option C is the recommended Unsaid Issues script. You use option C. You say, "I've noticed a shift in your energy. I'm not worried about your output, I'm worried about you. What is frustrating you right now that we aren't talking about?" The ice breaks instantly. They tell you the truth, you fix the blocker, and you save your best engineer. Grab AI for managers right now. Click below for 5 free prompts or get the full guide on Kindle.